I went to therapy consistently for over a year for the first time and am still going, and I feel like I get so much out of it. The support, insight, and objectivity of a licensed mental health professional for some of the harder parts of life and my mind have been really empowering. Some of my biggest takeaways so far? 1. One of the ways my anxiety presents is having racing thoughts or what if scenarios of things turning out badly. My therapist actually recommended following that line of thought and seeing it through, asking myself, what's the worst that could happen? And then, will I be okay? Most of the time, if not always, the answer is yes, taking the power away from the worry and allowing me to see it more rationally as not such a big deal / nightmare. 2. Openly sharing how I feel in a gentle manner doesn't always come naturally to me, since in the past I've been in a lot of spaces where someone doing the exact opposite resulted in being heard or getting their needs met. I've gone along with plans I didn't want to do and put up with behavior I didn't like until it'd been way too long, the anxiety would be too high, and then I would explode. Confronting that habit of snapping or lashing out and being honest about how I feel in a non-threatening tone has probably been my most tangible progress from therapy, something that I and others notice. One thing my therapist said on communication was that the goal isn't never to snap again, because that would be an impossible goal right now, but to be able to come back, apologize, and ask, can we try again? Having the love from others and the self-love to keep trying and actually see myself be able to change and express myself the way I want to has been humbling, healing, and faith-giving. And finally, 3. My therapist said, be strong in your values, what you are and aren't okay with. Insist on how I want to be treated so people learn to treat me that way. Setting boundaries means that others aren't necessarily in charge of giving me a role or setting expectations for me. I determine what my role is in a situation and what I'm comfortable doing, and also what others' role in my life is, as well as smaller scale boundaries like what I'm willing to talk about and when. This has been one of the most empowering parts of therapy, the reminder to know my own value and know that it is priceless.